Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Losfom 4K dash cam, body camera built-in 128 GB and 3500 mAh battery with 11 hours recording, Wi-Fi waterproof camera with GPS. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include: new updated body camera with 4K resolution, 2160p recording video with Sony sensor and 170 degrees wide angle allows users to get footage clearly and widely. Perfect for home, outdoor, dash cam for car, sales clerk. 3500 mAh battery 11 hours video recording equipped with a powerful high-capacity battery, Wi-Fi body camera takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charged. You can take 11 hours of videos and pictures in a row. It can be used as dash cam with car suction bracket. Camcorder and GPS enabled. Our body-worn cam with built-in Wi-Fi can transfer data directly to your phone or change the settings and start/stop shooting through the road cam. The GPS function of the body-mounted video cameras could record videos along with the moving route, playback videos on seller-provided GPS player, and trace back the routing of video files. 67 waterproof and one-click operation body cameras with waterproof strength are strong enough to resist heavy rains weather and suitable for all kinds of outdoor activities. One-click video recording design saves time and ensures timely recording of important evidence. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.